तो दोस्तों आज है अक्टूबर 22 2025 और आज हम आए हुए हैं भिलाई के मैत्री गार्डन में। ये मैत्री गार्डन ज़ू 1972 में इंडिया और रशिया के फ्रेंडशिप को कमेमोरेट करने के लिए इस्टेब्लिश हुआ था। सो आज 2025 है तो 53 इयर्स हो गए हैं। तो आज हम आए हुए हैं यहाँ देखने के लिए और आज मेरे साथ आया हुआ है आयुष। तो चलिए चलते हैं मैत्री गार्डन के अंदर और देखते हैं इसके अंदर क्या क्या है। मैत्री गार्डन एंट्रेंस ऐसा लिखता है। अब जैसे ही एंट्रेंस से आते हो तो आपको दिखता है ये ऐसा, ओके। और उसके बाद यहाँ पे है गन, देखिए ऐसा गन रखा हुआ है, ओके। और उसके बाद यहाँ पे 3D सेल्फी पॉइंट है। यहाँ पे देखिए ये 3D सेल्फी पॉइंट, ओके। इधर म्यूजिकल फाउंटेन भी है। हाँ, तो आयुष, so this is the entry point beta. So we will first cover the zoo, okay? We have enough time. So we are starting at around 5 p.m. And we can take a photo with elephant or maybe with chakra also.
But that's fake elephant.
Can you stand over there?
But those elephants are fake.
Just near, or maybe with the chakra.
But those elephants are fake, man.
You come. What you are saying?
Those elephants are fake.
Yeah, these are fake. Just for photo. If you go with the real elephant, Ayush, they will they will lift with their trunk and they will throw you out. Go away. Anything you want to say? Eat beta?
Nothing.
Popcorn. तो देखिए ये है यहाँ पे प्रगति चक्र। क्या खाएगा बेटा?
Nothing right now.
Nothing right now. बेटा ये प्रगति चक्र है, देख रहे हो? और there are some झूला on that side. देखो people are doing in the झूला, okay? Yeah. So here a lot of rides are there, okay, where people are enjoying. Okay, let's move now. Okay? आओ बेटा आओ। हाँ। So there are a lot of greeneries are there, right? Big trees are there. Okay, beta? Yeah. You like it, this place? The vibes is quite good. It's full of fresh air. And do you know this white bird is there? That bird is called
What? No.
egret. इसको बगुला बोलते हैं, मवेशी बगुला. They will eat the insect, small insect, beta. That side, right? Yeah. And there, can you see this? That side there is a lamp. Are you able to see this, beta? On that side there is a lamp there. So that lamp lights up. Hey yo, Ayush is walking fast. Oh yo. Hey, can you count how many egrets are there? बगुला कितने सारे हैं? Ayush.
What?
How many white birds are there? How many you can see? Around approximately.
13.
There are so many, right? On that side?
Probably 13.
Probably 13, 14, huh? Yeah. It has got very old tree, beta. Yeah. See, a lot of Rides are there. Ayush, can you see on the right side? People are enjoying the ride. Yeah, park. But you guys, people are enjoying the park rides, small. Yeah. Come.
But that is not a ride.
Yeah, swing. We can say it's a swing, right? Yeah. ये बेटा क्या लिखा है इसमें, पढ़ो तो हिंदी में क्या लिखा है बोलो.
Boating चालू है.
Boating means boating is.
Boating means boating only.
Yeah, boating has started, like it's running. Ayush, that side. We are not going to go that side. देखिए इधर लिखा हुआ है चिड़ियाघर, नौका विहार, कार्यालय मैत्री बाग एंड प्रगति मीनार. तो चलिए हम चिड़ियाघर पहले देख के आते हैं, फिर बाकी जगह घूमेंगे. Hey Ayush, hey, just do a little stop. Yeah, so we will buy something for eating over here inside, because inside we won't get eating anything. Maitri Bagh Nauka Vihar. So many kids are playing. Ayush, let's go to that vendor. I want to buy some samosa. Yeah.
अपने परिवार सहित मैत्री बाग कैंटीन में आयुष की तरफ से आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है.
मैत्री गार्डन का जू का एंट्री, और उसके बाद ये देखिए ऐसा लिखा हुआ है, कमेमोरेशन प्लांटेड ऑन दिस टू यस. एंड आ जाओ बेटा, यहाँ पे चलते हैं एंट्री में. आ जाओ आयुष, दिस इज अ जू एंट्री. आई थिंक यू आर कमिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, राइट? सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज देयर इनसाइड. आ जाओ, विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस साइड. देखो बेटा, बोनेट बंदर. दिस इज बोनेट बंदर. ओके, एंड दिस इज मंकी रेसस. रेसस मंकी. Rhesus, yeah, rhesus monkey, normal monkey which we found right everywhere in India. It's looking like a Vyoma monkey, and rhesus monkey, normal monkey we found everywhere right in India. Hanuman. Okay, yeah. This is a rhesus monkey. This is also rhesus monkey, but I think nobody is there. This is empty, right? Yeah. No, for now nobody is here. Yeah, here also rhesus monkey. Hey, monkey! Monkey is here. This is rhesus monkey. Okay, beta? Yeah.
Papa, why we indirectly calling it racist monkey?
No, this is name. Okay, just nothing is racist about it.
Racist.
Racist. It's just the name. Okay. One or the other name has to be given, right? Hey, this is also rhesus monkey. So many rhesus monkey are there, man.
Papa, what are racist monkeys, man?
The commonly found monkey in India is called rhesus monkey. देखो बेटा ये लंगूर है. Can you see the langur? Common langur. Okay. This is langur. This has got a black face. Okay. Yeah. Come here. This is common langur. It's looking very like human being, right? Very similar. But it has got tail. Hey, two common langur. Then come here. Then we have got a peacock. Hey, beautiful peacock, right? Peacock. See? It's looking so nice, Ayush, right? This is our national
bird.
Yeah, this is our national bird, man. Yeah. Come here. इसको pea owl. See, there are so many national bird. Yeah. देखो कितना अच्छा लग रहा है.
One monkey got escaped.
Oh my God, he went there. Oh, he escaped. Hey, they should take care. Stay away from the monkey, man. See, this monkey got escaped from the चिड़ियाघर. So you have to be aware, okay? Let's move away from him. Okay, बेटा देख. ये क्या है बेटा? डक लग रहा है, डक. बदक देखो, बदक. हाँ. But their name is not written. पर ये बदक लग रहा है ना? It's beautiful bird, right? Ayush? Duck. Are you able to see it? Very nice. Then beta, this is turkey. Are you able to see the turkey? So in the Christian country, na, when there is a special occasion called Thanksgiving Day, so they eat the turkey over there. Okay? In the Christian country. So this is the turkey, beta. People do the farming of turkey. Okay? People in the Christian country, they eat the turkey like a chicken. Then a adjuvant stark. Hey, there's nobody here. Nobody here. Also this. इधर भी कुछ नहीं है. Nothing is there, man. Nothing is there. Oh. Here nothing is there. हाँ, ऊपर में बैठा है स्टार्क. देखा बेटा? ऊपर में बैठा देख रहा है? ये स्टार्क.
But I don't see its face properly.
हाँ, face is but with a big beak. Okay? Yeah. This is but with the big beak. हाँ, come here. Come here. हाँ, keep on moving. Okay. This is under Baj beta. Hawk. Are you able to see this? Yeah. Okay, but then this is a kite. Cheel beta, cheel. See, this is a predatory bird. It can eat the rat, rabbit. ये कौन सा है बेटा? चील है ये, चील. देख रहे हो? No, this is just the name of the bird, kite, but this is a predatory bird. See the beak? It is very sharp. Okay, it can if it hit you, na, it can blood can come. Time is 5:30 around. Yeah, we'll remove it or we'll cover it up. This is rabbit. अजगर बेटा. No, no, it's inside my bag. Indian rock python. Okay, come. I will eat it, but mainly let's cover the main thing. Okay. Better use the dustbin. Yes, better. Come here. Yeah. We follow that more. Peacock in he fowl and she fowl, right? They say like that. Right? Yeah, this is Rosy Pelican. If you see here, it's looking so nice, right? Rosy Pelican. They eat the fish as their food. They look so nice, right? Rosy Pelican. Yeah.
Bro, why do they have very long beaks?
Yeah, so they can store the fish. Okay, beta? Yeah. They are Rosy Pelican. Okay? It's written about them. Rosy Pelican. They eat the fish, frog and a small snake. Okay? These are beautiful looking birds. Okay, Rosy Pelican. Yeah, come here. Then this is a grey pelican. Okay, beta, a grey pelican. Can you see this? Their head is grey. This is grey pelican. Grey pelican. And then can you see the deer, beta? Deer. So many deers. And also this is common egret. Okay, बेटा बगुला बोलते हैं, मवेशी बगुला. They are eating the insects. Okay, yeah. These are all deer बेटा, deer, हिरण. हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? हिरण. आ जाओ इधर देखते हैं.
Then what are those white birds called?
These are white birds called the egret और बगुला. इसको बोलते हैं बगुला बोलते. इधर कुछ है क्या भैया? Bear is supposed to be here, but I think it is inside the cage. What is there? Is there? Are you able to spot it? I'm not able to spot it. Okay, but no problem. Come here, better. अब देखो बेटा इधर पे व्हाट विल कम crocodile. You want to see the crocodile?
I don't see them.
But let's see whether it's there or not. Hey, it's there, man, in the water. Hey, crocodile, his mouth is open, man.
Crocodile! Look!
How? Are you able to see crocodile? Eyes are open. आंखें खुली हुई है बेटा, देख रहा है. Are you able to see? आयुष, देखो. ठीक, चलो बेटा. है
इधर चल, फिर ले लेगा.
This is घड़ियाल बेटा. It's a smaller version of crocodile. You can say like that. It's a घड़ियाल. His nose is more pointed. Okay, beta. It is found in the river also. A lot of घड़ियाल्स are pointed.
Oh, I see one.
Yeah. So there is one घड़ियाल, right? Yeah.
That one also.
Yes. This is घड़ियाल.
But they're all in water.
Hey, one is swimming, man, swimming. It has got pointed nose, right? Yeah.
It notices.
Yeah, the घड़ियाल. घड़ियाल. क्या बोलते हैं घड़ियाल? Okay. Yes. Let's move forward. What is there, Ayush?
Golden
Hey.
jackal.
Golden? What is there? Some
Golden jackal.
golden jackal. Jackal is there, right? Yeah. Yeah, this is golden jackal. Okay. Let's go.
Jackal.
Jackals. इसको हिंदी में शायद सियार बोलते हैं.
But it's written here in this board. You can clarify it, man.
Yeah. Okay. I missed it. And देखो बेटा इसको नील गाय बोलते हैं. नील गाय. Can you see this? इसको नील गाय बोलते हैं.
Are they bulls?
No, it's a bull kind of. They are not bull. They are called neel guy, but they are as powerful as bull. Okay, but they do a lot of harm to the agriculture in the north part of India
How?
because they destroy the crop of the farmers, man.
Then how are they useful?
They are not that useful. They are menace sometime. If they are in jungle, then it's okay. But if they come to the field now, they destroy a lot of crop of the farmers.
See,
Blue
they're,
bull.
see, they're blue bulls only.
Blue bulls only, but they are not domesticated. Okay.
But they
Blue
are.
bull. Yeah, they are as powerful as the normal bull, but they are not domesticated. Coming.
Barking
Deer. Yeah, it's a small deer. Yeah, barking deer. Right? Barking deer and a small deer. This is called barking deer. Okay? Yeah, this is barking deer. So it lives up to age of 8 to 12. Okay, घास पत्ती दाना खाता है. Yeah. Yeah, let's move to the lion section. Hey Ayush, are you able to see the lion? Can you read Safed Bhag? White tiger, man, white tiger. Hey, we are able to see the white tiger, right? Panthera tigris. 14 to 16 years it can live. Okay? Yeah, endangered species. So we can see the white tiger, right, beta? Yeah. So you can see the white tiger. White tiger.
Bro, come here. Papa.
Yeah. Something more
There's one
interesting,
moving,
Ayush?
literally.
Huh?
There's one literally moving more, man. Come here quickly, man.
Come. Yeah. Hey man, white tiger. ये बाघ है लग रहा है. This is normal tiger or a white tiger?
Normal tiger.
Normal tiger. Yoo-hoo! Hey man. Hey, such a big animal. Hey, hey, hey! It's trying to climb the tree. ओहो, टाइगर! कितना बड़ा टाइगर है भाई! ओहो, आयुष, can you see this? Such a big tiger, man. बहुत बड़ा है भाई, बहुत बड़ा है. Such a big tiger, man. Yeah. They have given them the big enclosure. Earlier, they used to live in a small enclosure. So it's a very natural kind of thing for them, right? Yeah. But only one, right? But that is eagle or something. Eagle or kite. ये देखो 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 फिर जा रहा है. देखो 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 टाइगर. Hey, tiger is going. Yeah, चलो, let's go back. You want to see the more? Hey, now it's going inside, man. For sleeping, I guess. Come here. चला गया इधर भी. है? चलो, चलो बेटा इधर.
Lion.
हाँ?
Lion.
और है हाँ बब्बर शेर. बब्बर शेर मीन्स इधर बब्बर शेर है. Are you able to see the बब्बर शेर? How? Hey, lotus plants. Hey, no man, we are not able to see any babbar शेर. Hey, maybe he's lying there. वो उल्टा लेटा हुआ है ना? देखो देखो बेटा, वो लेटा हुआ है.
But I only see his feet.
Yeah, only his feet. Okay, maybe he's lying. Okay, Ayush, yeah.
What is gestation period?
Asiatic lion. This is Asiatic.
What is gestation period?
Gestation period means in the mother's womb, how many days he is there. Okay.
Papa, I think the lion does not have any hair on its head.
Maybe this is a female lion. If it is a male lion, na, then the hair all around. Okay. If female is there, then it doesn't have hair. Only the male have hair. और इधर क्या है भाई? ए देखो देखो देखो. बारासिंगा बेटा, बारासिंगा. In the horn, right? There are Z.
What are these?
ये बारासिंगा बोलते, बारासिंगा. या देखो भैया ये बारासिंगा, ये ऐसा बैठा हुआ है. या a lot of space for them, but they are sitting nicely, right? They are sitting in a good pose. Beta Barasinga, can you count the pointed nose, pointed tips on the horn? Yeah, generally they are said that it has got 12, but some may have the less. So it's so beautiful, right? It's a
What
majestic
they look
looking.
like?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Beta, yeah, I think we need to go this way.
Papa, these animals are called sambar.
Sambar, yeah, this is called
Sambar.
sambar. Yeah, this one is called sambar.
Why is it called sambar?
Sambar like idli sambar. No, but this is called sambar only. The same name. It's from deer family only. They live 20 to 25 years, but they are sambar. Okay, yeah. These are all sambar. Sambar deer. Yeah, maybe we can go like this. Okay, yeah.
Well, what's the time, man?
This time maybe 5:45.
Black buck.
Yeah, black buck. Yeah, black buck, like there's a controversy around like if
Papa,
Salman Khan has killed it or not, right? So
Papa, why
this
do
is
I
black
see?
buck.
Why do I see some are not black?
Yeah, but females are not black, but the males are black.
Bruh.
Yeah. Okay.
What's the time now, Papa?
5:45. Okay.
Bruh.
Yeah, but can we come here? I think we need to see some more here.
There's only one thing, which is leopard.
Leopard, हाँ, come na leopard. We need to see that. Come. Yeah, that is the last. Then we will go back.
What is this?
I don't know. Something there? No. CR, jackal. Jackal is sleeping there, but it's not very visible.
Royal Bengal tiger.
Royal Bengal tiger, yeah. But where is the tiger? Tiger is not here.
Hey.
And it's getting darker also, right? Tiger, the national animal.
Hyena. Hyenas. Papa,
Hyena,
look,
lakarbagga,
hyena
हाँ.
stripped.
Yeah. This
One
is lakarbagga,
hyena.
beta. Hyena. So this is a very cunning animal. Okay, it doesn't do the hunting itself, but it lives on the hunted thing from the others. Okay. This is a hyena striped. So it has striped over here on their body. Okay.
Like tigers.
Yeah, like a tiger. But they don't do the hunting themselves majority of the time. Yeah.
Papa, this tendua.
Tendua. Hey! Tendua! So this is Tendua, beta.
What is it called in English?
Panther.
Black panther or normal panther?
Panther, yeah, panther.
No,
Yes.
black.
There is a normal panther. There are many variants are there in the panther also. Black panther.
Emu.
Yeah, emu. Emu is where? Can you see the emu? It's like an ostrich kind of bird. Very big.
No signs.
Yeah, no sign, nah? No problem. Let's come this side. This is empty. Emu we can't locate. I think
What is this?
This is a deer.
This is again sambar.
Yeah.
Papa, I think we should return now.
Yeah, we are returning now. We are on way to go back. Within 5-10 minutes we are out. See the deer. See how many deers are there, brother? हिरण. हिंदी में क्या बोलते बेटा? हिरण. Say they grow very fast. Okay, in the population. That's why tigers are there to kill that deer in the jungle. हिरण या चीतल. Yeah. बेटा ये हिरण है. Yeah. Should we go out? So now we are on way to our exit. So we have got the final one. Here you will get a lot of parrots, beta, parrots. Star कछुआ. ए देखो कछुआ. कछुआ बेटा. Indian tortoise. Indian star tortoise. Okay.
Bird, moose.
Yeah, it's moving slowly.
No, it moves way
Hey.
faster than a regular tortoise.
Yeah. This is Indian star tortoise. Many tortoises are here.
Water
Then
monitor lizard.
Water monitor lizard. Are you able to see this?
No.
No, go.
Mongoose.
Nevla.
Barn owl.
Mongoose. Hey, but we are not
Papa,
able
look,
to
barn
see.
owl.
Barn owl. Oh, this is a barn owl. Owl. This is barn owl.
It's
Owl is
staring
there.
at us.
Yeah. Then Indian fantail. Kabutar beta. Kabutar. These are Indian kabutar. Okay. Then Alexandrine parrot. Hey, the parrot which we have in our home,
Yes.
right? Mito. Hey, Mito. So many Mitus are there. Mitu. Yo, yeah. Tota. This is the Indian ringneck, beta.
Papa, this is what we have in home.
Yeah.
Rose
No,
ring
this
parrot.
is wrong. Roseneck. This
Parrot
is different
teeth.
kind of parrot. But yeah,
But we have this in our home.
yeah, this one. This one you have Alexandrine parakeet.
No.
No. And this is a ringneck.
We already have that.
This one also we have. Rose ring parakeet.
Look, cocktail.
Yeah.
Cocktail.
And also cocktail. Yeah, cocktail. Hey man, this is getting dark. This is cocktail. Cocktail. Yeah. This is cocktail. It's getting dark, right? In Bajji parrot. And this is lawbird.
But I don't see it.
Yeah, but it's dark now.
It's camouflaged.
Now we are having samosa after coming out of zoo. Ayush and Vyom. Yeah.
Papa, why do you always say Vyom?
I miss it, man. Okay. After coming out from the Matri Garden Zoo, me and Ayush both are having samosa, which we purchased from here. Yeah. And it's fun after coming out of zoo, eating samosa over here in Matri Garden Zoo. Please do come over here. It's very nice coming over here, and after a zoo, you can have a tea, coffee, and a samosa over here. Thumbs up. The people are doing boating over here. Okay, but I think it's getting late in night, so we decided not to do the boating over here. But some people are doing the boating, and one person charge is 50 rupees. Me and Ayush are having butterscotch ice cream. How is the butterscotch ice cream, Ayush?
Good.
Good? Yeah, it's good. It's nice. This is in Matri Garden Zoo gate area. It's nice, man. Nice. We are missing Vyom.